Good morning, everybody. Ryan with Grind Knife Sharpening, coming today from the farmers market in Brandon, South Dakota. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a truck walkthrough and kind of show you my setup, how I operate for this. So we got our tent set up outside. We'll go over that in a minute. But coming in on the left, we've got our Tradesman Apex. 100 grit, 1000 grit Resin Bond Diamond Wheels with dual belt over wheel grinding systems, water trays, variable speed 200 to 1000 RPMs. This thing does a lot of work really fast. Assortment of belts and goodies for the different grinders. Here we've got the prototype Tradesman Edge Power Strop. The Power Strop is a single wheel version, AC motor, again variable speed. I run it primarily for leather belt and stropping work, but it is also a high powered grinder, so you can crank the speed up and you can do some really heavy grinding. It can also be used great as a standalone one wheel machine, and I'll cover that in future videos. Here I have my microscope for doing edge inspections. I've got a buffer and a 1x30 that I keep for some specific tasks, but I don't use them often. Below my bench over here, I've got my air compressor, backup generator, vacuum for dust collection when I use the 1x30, and this is all miscellaneous parts, pieces. My Kotoku for hair shears is down there. Pull that out when needed. My sharpening stones, just about anything relating to sharpening is on this side. As we come across, we got the other side of the truck. Looking down, we got our magnet boards. The knives are mostly out on display now for the farmers market, so you'll see those in a bit. Across over here is where I generally get customer knives. We already got a fairly messed up set from a local butcher company. I'll show you some of the stuff that we have to work through, you know, stuff that has been, this is my first time getting these knives, and so they have a pull-through assortment in their shop that they have been using, and so that's all stuff we're going to fix later on today. But the workbenches on this side, they mainly house inventory and displays. So this is my kitchen knife side, this is my EDC side. You know, the drawers are full of, we got folders, more folders. So edge guards, custom edge guards, little backstock on some more fixed blades, some more folders. That side's more of the same. It's literally just the kitchen knife side. Down on the bottom is cutting boards and some of that. So that's the basics of my truck setup. You know, we're air conditioned, we're heated, so we're kept pretty comfortable most of the year, and we can go there. As we step outside, we've got folders out on display. Brands like Spyderco, ZT, Civivi, Ontario, Kaiser, Demko, all kinds. Selection is always changing. Kershaw is there. Here we have a little intake spot. We try to keep this area clear for when customer knives come in. Keeps the wife happy. We've got some Meglios in Magna Cut, Dragon Storm, Dragon Classic. We've got some Kai Pro kitchen knives, some Perfect Edge steak knives, some cutting boards made by a friend of mine in Brookings. I'll be pulling out, I've got Baldwin Blades on display, so I'll be taking those out in just a little bit. We also carry a selection of flashlights, fillet knives, various fixed blades, and of course the Moras. Those are always a crowd favorite. So that kind of gives you an idea of our setup for the farmers market on a Saturday morning. We try to bring out as much of our inventory as we can. Step back inside to get away from that generator. But thank you everybody for watching, and have a great day.